Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. For this video I am going to be putting some images on some coasters. When I did a live stream, I was using Midjourney to make some images that I said I was making for coasters and magnets. Here are two sets of coasters that I make. One of the sets I'm using from a set I made during that live stream. And I started during that live stream and I finished afterwards. So we have two sets here, two very cute sets. I think you guys are going to like these. So let's get right into it. So after I finished the first set, the kitten coasters, I noticed that there was some white that showed around the outside of the kitten coasters, which I didn't like how that ended up turning out like that. So for the second set of coasters, I made them 0.2 centimeters bigger around all sides so that I could completely fill in the square of the coaster and have no white showing when it was done being sublimated. So that's how I fixed that problem. So here is the final result of both coasters, the puppies and the kittens. I think they came out super cute. I am super impressed with both of them. These coasters were really fun to make. I enjoyed making them. I love the results. Let me know in the comments which coaster set you like best. Is it the kittens or the puppies? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.